This litter is not set up. Put her back in. Put her back in. Somebody didn't put it back up right.
Hell yeah. There, look at it.
It's taking it back. Good. Yeah, now it's good. Watch out on your
Might grab her legs. Grab it up down.
Go grab that stuff, all your stuff. Here, scooter up, scooter up.
You guys need
You're ready.
Do you need any word?
All right, you can go back.
I'm gonna grab the gear.
Yeah, go. Any extra gear that you see that's from the patient or from us?
That took too long. That's raining.
Y'all finna get that real training in the rain.
If it ain't raining, it ain't training, sorry.
Oh
man, I can't get this
What is your
strap.
status?
She's
Unconscious? Yeah, I'm unconscious. First?
Yep.
Yeah. Whole body?
You two good?
should be.
We good?
One jacket, you guys.
You made sure you got all the equipment?
Yeah, I did a double check.
Okay.
Straps on, they're good.
Give it a good tug just because we got some real bad straps. Just
I
to
got
be
two more
Yeah,
if you
this
need
one
them.
sucks.
I mean, just tug up on it just to make sure that it's.
Did it rain for 2.5 seconds and stop?
Yes.
That'll be
It's
fine.
been doing that all day. It's been raining for like 2.5 seconds and it's gone. Alright, ready to lift? Lift. Forward march.
If you want to jump on this litter with him, just relieve some
Boss,
pressure.
check out it. Get out of it. Ready? Go.